Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be building a garden bed just like all of these other ones. So, right here we have 3 pieces of 2 by 8 lumber, and these are 8 feet long. So this one we cut in half for the end. Let me show you how we're going to lay this out into a bed. So I'm going to show you how to make a garden bed. So it's so easy that everybody can do it, even a 7-year-old just like me. So you're going to need these 2x4s for the corners that we just cut in half. You're going to need 3-inch wood screws. So you're also going to need a screw gun. So we're going to keep this one here, and we're going to bring this other long one, heavier than I expected, right over here. Now we're going to get our ends, one end here and the other one over there. So guys, I'm going to teach you about water. So right here, the smooth part is the face grain, like your face. And this is your side grain. And this is the end grain, and it's the weakest part, so we're not going to use this part. We don't want to screw into this part, because this is where it would fail first. Guys, this is the end grain, as you know, and we're not going to screw into this because it's the weakest, and because if you screw into it, it would like split, like it's already starting to split. And up here, it's also starting to chip off. So that's why we're going to screw these boards onto this one, and it will hold it together. Guys, wherever you build a garden bed, you gotta make sure that it's somewhere where there's a lot of sunlight. So we're gonna pick this one up, just like that. Then we're gonna take this guy, then put it right up against there. Then we're going to screw this part into this part, and this part into this part. That was fun. So now we're going to screw this board into this 2x4.
Wow.
That was fascinating. Man, we just made a whole entire garden bed. Yee! Oh guys, I want to show you something. Wait. Get in the hole! Fire in the hole! Guys, look at our garden bed. 4x8, and tomorrow we gotta finish this garden bed by filling it in with that compost. So guys, make sure you get heat treated lumber, because pressure treating lumber is not good for you, because there's lots of bad chemicals in it. So guys, we made the bed, but now we just gotta fill it in with this compost that's not ready yet. This is not ready yet. We're just gonna put it in for a head start, and it will finish doing its thing over the winter. We went to Lowe's and we got this topsoil. So we're gonna put the not finished compost in the bed. Try to. Guys, this is actually not finished because there's literally still egg cells in here. But I saw that won't matter. Because the egg cells will finish composting over the winter, so it's okay. But you still want to make sure there's no glass, because that would definitely not compost. Yeah, I found this piece of glass in here. Guys, never play at the end with these, because these are really pointy, but not pointy like a knife, but still just don't play with them, because they're still very dangerous. Yeah. So I am just spreading out the compost with the back, because if you do it like that, you don't get a lot, because if you do it with that, it's a lot easier. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, yeah, I'm just flipping it over. Oh, look at all that. Yeah, there we go. And yes, we are going to be spreading all. Guys, make sure you get all this soil out of their bags, because we did pay for this, and if we don't use all of it and we get rid of the bag, there's still a lot in there. That's just a kind of big waste of money. So guys, I'm spreading it out again. Next time I go to Lowe's, we're probably gonna need 4 or 5 more bags, because they're really cheap at Lowe's. They're only $2. So guys, if you have friends that don't know about me, I would love for you to tell them about me, because almost 75% of people that watch my channel are not subscribed. So guys, please like and subscribe so I can get that 75 to a 60, because that would be a lot better than 75. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Macaroni.